Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Azharuddin and I am from NTTF Dharwad and I am a trainee of Diploma in Mechatronics Engineering and Smart Factory. I am from M1B section. In today's video, I am going to present a shop talk on an electronic component which is named as Arduino Nano. In today's video, I am going to tell you the introduction for Arduino Nano, advantages and disadvantages for Arduino Nano and the conclusion for Arduino Nano. So let us begin with the introduction part. Arduino boards are widely used in robotics, embedded system, automation, Internet of Things and electronics projects. Arduino boards were initially introduced for the students and non-technical users, but nowadays Arduino boards are widely used in industrial projects. Arduino Nano is a small, complete, flexible and breadboard-friendly microcontroller board which is based on ATmega 328P, which is developed by Arduino.cc in Italy in the year 2008. Arduino Nano contains 30 mil headers which is configured in a DIP30 style. If you are going to see the Arduino Nano, it is very smaller in size. The component is very smaller in size and it's on its both the sides it contains 30 pins. Arduino Nano pinout contains 14 digital pins, 8 analog pins, 2 reset pins and 6 power pins, which is programmed using the Arduino IDE, which can be downloaded from the Arduino's official site. Arduino Nano is simply a smaller version of Arduino Uno. Hence, both are having almost the same functionalities. Arduino Nano comes with a flash memory. The flash memory is of 16 KB and 32 KB, which all depends upon the ATmega board. That is, the ATmega 168 board comes with 16 KB of flash memory, while the ATmega 328 board comes with a 32 KB of flash memory. Flash memory is used for storing the code which we are going to upload in the Arduino Nano. The 2 KB of memory out of total flash memory is used for the bootloader. The SRAM memory of 2 KB is present in the Arduino Nano. And Arduino Nano comes with the electrically erasable programmable read-only memory of 1 KB. So this was the introduction for Arduino Nano. Now we are going to see the advantages. What are the advantages for Arduino Nano? So let us begin with the advantages of Arduino Nano. The first advantage of Arduino Nano is its size. The Arduino Nano is very smaller in size in comparison with the Arduino Uno, which makes it a better choice for the users who need a smaller component to fit in a tight spaces. The next advantage of Arduino Nano is cost. The cost of the Arduino Nano is lower than the Uno, which makes it more affordable and more accessible for the users who may be on a budget. Next is power consumption. The Nano consumes less power than the Uno, making it an ideal choice for the battery-powered applications such as wearables and robotics. Next is socketed components. Unlike the Uno, Nano is having all its components socketed, so it is very easy to be replaced if something goes wrong or if something needs to be upgraded. Next is pin count. The Nano has fewer pins than the Uno, but still it offers plenty of connectivity options for most of the projects. So now let us begin with the disadvantages of Arduino Nano. So what are the disadvantages of Arduino Nano? The first disadvantage of Arduino Nano is limited processing power. Arduino Nano is having a smaller processor, so it is not suitable for the projects which need a bigger processing power. Next is less memory. As we know that the Arduino Nano is very smaller in size, it comes with a less memory capacity, so it cannot run more tasks at once and it cannot store more data as compared to the Arduino Uno. The next is fewer connectivity options. As mentioned before, the Nano comes with fewer connectivity options. That means Nano offers you less connectivity options as compared to the Uno. So if you require more connectivity option or if you require more specialized component, then Arduino Nano is not suitable for your project. So these were the disadvantages of Arduino Nano. Now I am going to talk about the conclusion. Although there are some drawbacks to using an Arduino Nano, these issues can be addressed with careful planning and consideration while designing your project. With its smaller size and lower cost, Arduino Nano still remains a great choice for the experienced engineers alike. So this was my shop talk on Arduino Nano. I hope you guys liked this video. Please subscribe to the NTTF official YouTube channel to watch more such informative video on technology and click on the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you everyone.